Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking all about dry scooping, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So, I officially think that social media is going to be our demise. Now, technology and the internet is great for so many things, but it also just shows us how, for lack of a better word, stupid we are as a society a lot of times. And I don't understand how a lot of these trends become a thing. I don't get it. So if you're here, you know what dry scooping is. I don't know if this is aging me, I'm a millennial, but all this reminds me of is the cinnamon challenge. Stupid. What would possess somebody to just put a whole bunch of powder in their mouth? This is the Gen X version of the cinnamon challenge, in my opinion. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So dry scooping, I don't care if it's your protein powder, your pre-workout, whatever it is not a good idea. I mean, that should be common sense, you would think. But this has just become, the new trend on TikTok, on Instagram, on whatever it is. Everybody's quick taking their pre-workout dry in their mouth, coughing, choking on it, whatever, because they think, you're not diluting it at all, and it's just it's that much more potent and whatever. If it was meant to be consumed that way, then that's what it would say on the instructions, but it is not. So if you want to be coughing, having shortness of breath, and choking on powder, then I guess you would want to do that, but I don't understand why anyone would want that. Now, if you don't want to just have, a cup of coffee or something with caffeine before a workout and you want to have your pre-workout, then use it how you're instructed to, put it in a water bottle, or I don't know why you would take your protein powder, like in my thumbnail, and just, eat protein powder, but there's so many other ways, obviously, that you can use it, from smoothies to even just mixing it with water. I have my protein bites. I have so many different ways. So many. Now, would I say I'm this fitness expert and I'm a bodybuilder and I'm so amazing? No. But I work out nearly every day. I've been athletic my whole life. I'm a certified personal trainer, so be that what it may, I do not recommend doing this. And any, actual fitness expert, somebody that knows what they're doing, not these fools and clowns that you see on social media that either inject themselves or pump up their butts or etch out their abs or whatever, actual people who are into fitness and know what they're talking about would not advise you to do so. You're not gonna, take your scoop of pre-workout without diluting it and whatever and just get the sickest pump ever. You're gonna be sick, in shape, huge. That's the key, that's the difference. Everybody is always looking for shortcuts and different ways to get what they want, because most people, let's face it, are lazy. But I don't understand how this became a trend. That is not the case. So what are the risks? Because like we said, they're not meant to be taken this way. So what are some risks that, you can be putting yourself in danger or whatever by doing so? So first of all, dietary supplements are highly unregulated here in the US. So therefore, some mixes do have, banned stimulants and stuff like that in them. So of course you can be inadvertently, inhaling these dry powders instead of swallowing them, because there's no liquid or moisture to help you get it down. So of course there's coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and things like that. And I know this is going far into it, but let's just say you're somebody who has asthma or something like that. I don't think this would be a good idea. Now, you guys have heard me talk about hydration and things like that in previous videos, things that can hydrate you, things that can dehydrate you, caffeine levels, diuretics, all sorts of stuff like that. So pre-workout powder mixes typically have between 150 and 300 milligrams of caffeine, which is 3 cups of coffee. So if you've already had coffee and you're doing this with your pre-workout, you can actually increase your heart rate and your blood pressure. And you don't want to overload on caffeine. I know you're excited, you want to work out, you want to get a good pump, but you definitely don't want to overload on anything. You don't want any heart palpitations or chest pains, dizziness, or trouble breathing, because pretty sure that's not going to let you have a good workout. So now I'm going to give you a couple other alternatives to doing so. So typically I don't even use a pre-workout, and it's not necessary in my opinion. At least for most people, it's not necessary. I don't find myself needing one. So the purpose of a pre-workout is to kind of, help enhance your performance at the gym with, some more energy, but it's not essential to completing a workout or to even, get yourself started and in the mood to work out. And of course, just like anything else, I'm sure there's pre-workouts out there that don't have the best or cleanest ingredients, and even though they may, enhance your workout or claim to do so, there are, way worse ingredients in there that are going to do the complete opposite and probably more harm than any good. But that is a topic for another video. So instead of following these people on TikTok and just doing whatever you see online, like I always say, I think it's best and most important to just listen to your body and just stick to the basics. So, let's be real here. I'm sure if anybody goes to the gym like me, you see a lot of, I'm going to use the word clown, I'm sorry if I offend anybody, but there's a lot of clowns at the gym that I don't know what they are doing. They're too busy, dry scooping in the corner and, bringing weighted vests and doing flips and stuff on this equipment, or using it completely wrong where they can hurt themselves. And I'm not trying to make fun or anything, but typically these people, don't look the best because they're just, I don't know what they're doing. But you need to just stick to the basics. Look at Arnold. Is he doing flips on these different, equipment and machines, or is he just doing a workout, the basics, just the way you're supposed to do them, and look at the way he looks? So I'm just here to give you my nutritional background on, what I recommend here. So your pre-workout snack or meal is going to be very important here. So of course, the first thing I'm going to talk about is your diet. So you're going to want something that is, heavy in carbohydrates before you work out at the gym. So I like to either, take a banana with me, or I'll make, a sandwich with some bread and, some almond butter. You can add banana slices on there too. That's really good. But you're gonna need nutrients. Protein, fiber, and fat, these are all important just as well as your carbs. You want to make sure your digestion isn't too low. So healthy fats are good, nice fiber is good. I like to focus more on my protein after my workout to help rebuild. A lot of quick options are, of course, my smoothies. I can link my playlist right up here where I went like crazy with my smoothies, but this is a really quick and easy way to incorporate all of the above. Great for hydration. You can throw some protein powder in there, some fruit, some carbs, all in one little mixture, super easy. Now, if you need some energy, a quick energy boost, keep to the basics. Have some coffee. Like all you need is a cup of coffee, 30 minutes before a workout, and you're good to go. Now, I don't always do this, but I know a lot of people do. Warm up can be really helpful for you guys here before your workout. Not only is that preparing yourself for your workout and, stretching everything out and getting a nice range of motion on your muscles, but it can also raise your body temperature too. So bottom line, I don't recommend dry scooping, and there's so many other options that you can do to get some nice energy for your workout, and it doesn't include, coughing and choking on powder. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss some of my videos. And share this video with anybody who tries scoops. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.